So, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you my personal strategy on how to make money with CPA marketing. Now, if you have been struggling to actually earn money with CPA networks or any kind of CPA offer, then this video is for you, because you're going to learn a step-by-step guide on how you can apply a strategy that will work for you and help you start earning from CPA networks. The number that you are seeing right here on the screen is not impressive. And the strategy that I implement in making money with CPA marketing is my personal method. It is not confirmed anywhere. That is why I want you to understand that you need to study the strategy and logically apply it for yourself in order to replicate the same process. Now, if you want to earn with CPA marketing, you need a working strategy. A working strategy that you can use over and over again so that you can get similar results. These people that you are seeing on the screen are also earning from this CPA network. They have a working strategy, and this strategy they are implementing is what gives them results every single day. What you need in any CPA network is leads. Once you get one lead, you apply the same strategy. Then you get 2 leads, 3 leads, and 4 leads. That is how you accumulate leads and reach your desired result. So if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by the hand and walk you through the exact strategy so you can start earning with your CPA network journey, all you need to do is DM me on WhatsApp. I will connect with you in less than a few seconds. This is going to be a one-on-one mentorship. Now let's proceed. The first thing you need to do to get started is create an account on any CPA network of your choice. It could be Cpagrip, it could be Ablo Media, it could be OG Arts, Massbond, any CPA network out there, they are all the same. Make sure you understand the type of offers the CPA network is providing. For Cpagrip, go to the monetization tools. This is where you need to create a content locker. A content locker is when you are monetizing something you have created, a digital item or digital information. Monetizing it is what we call content locking. You have to monetize it using the monetization tools. The second option is offer tools. Here, you don't need to create any digital item. All you need is to pick an offer that already has a landing page from the advertiser or company in the United States. Then promote that offer. Distribute the link of those offers with different strategies. The first strategy I always recommend is the CPA self-converter tool. With this, you don't need to struggle much to get people to click the link and take actions. Once you apply this strategy correctly, you will start earning with CPA networks. The next option is post-back tools. And then we also have the referral program. Referral program is simple. If you click my link in the description and register on Cpagrip, any money you make will give me a small commission from your total monthly earnings. That is exactly how the referral program works. The payment center is where you enter your bank account details, like a US bank account or your PayPal account. This is what you will use to withdraw your money from the CPA network. After that, proceed to the next stage, promoting your CPA offer. This means creating a landing page, picking an offer from a CPA network, and then placing those offers on your landing page. Strategically position the links so anyone who visits can click them. If you are using the CPA self-converter tool, you also need a landing page, but you don't need to make it fancy. Let me show you an example. Go to site.google.com. Press enter. Site.google.com is a free website builder. You don't need to pay to create a website. You can use it with your mobile phone or your PC. Click the big plus sign. It opens a blank page. Now design your own website by placing your offer links. Here is one example I created. It is simple, but it converts well. I added a short text, a screenshot, and then a list of offers. After that, I clicked publish and copied the link to my landing page. If you have many offers, you don't need to copy each one separately. Just copy the single link of your landing page. That one link contains all your CPA offers, maybe 10 or 20 from different locations. The next step is building organic traffic sources. One of the best options is Facebook. Another is Quora.com. Quora is an amazing platform. If you don't want to use Google Sites, you can even build your landing page directly on Quora. This way, you get traffic from Quora's search results. And since Google owns Google Sites, your landing page can also rank on Google Search automatically. This is another way to build organic traffic for your CPA offers. Now, the next thing you need is a proxy. You need a working proxy to set up the CPSF converter tool. Let me show you how. In my previous video, I showed how to connect your Telegram and activate 3 gig for free. Go watch that video in my playlist to learn how to activate a free proxy with my promo code. With that, you can start using their proxy without investing any money. Once you activate, you will see your traffic balance, maybe 3 gig, 1 gig, or 10 gig if you funded your account with $5 or $15. That allows you to generate unlimited proxies. Click on Create Proxy. Choose multiple devices. I always choose mobile device, then select the country. I usually pick United States. Once you have your IP, you need a system to configure the CPSF converter tool. That brings us to this software. This software lets you select proxy types. Choose HTTP, paste the proxy you created, paste the port number, and click check. If you have a username and password, enter them. Some proxies require it. Set the location and time zone based on the IP. Click OK. Now you can copy the organic traffic link from Quora or Facebook where you placed your landing page. That's how you configure the system. If this feels overwhelming, connect with me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will guide you one-on-one through the entire process. This is simple if you follow the steps. So guys, if you want me to hold you by the hand and guide you through the process, connect with me on WhatsApp. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click subscribe and turn on the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I publish a new video. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. So if you have not subscribed, do it now and turn on the bell icon to enable you get notifications anytime we drop latest updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video update.